Hey guys, it's Dami and I'm back with another one. Today we have these second generation AirPod Maxes from DhGate. They do come in this box just to pass customs, but that's pretty much how everything goes when coming from China. There are electronics that are one-to-one. I did get it in space black or in this darkish blue colorway, and at the back of the box or at the bottom you do see the serial number that checks out as well. And flipping it over to the back, you do see it comes with USB-C to charge like the second generation AirPod Maxes from Apple. And by taking away these two giant pull tabs, we are greeted to the AirPod Max second generation from DhGate. Taking off the lid, you do see we have the ear cup protector for both ear cups so they don't get dirty or get contaminated. And the smart case on this, the stitching on this is as close as it could be to the original. It does come with just plastic on the AirPod to protect it in transit. First impressions when holding it, they do have weight to them like real AirPod Maxes. They are cold to the touch because they are metal, and apart from that, the ear cups as well do come off, so you could actually change the ear cups of these with original AirPod Max ear cups. In the box, you do have the Design by Apple in California paperwork, and you do have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable for these headphones. Pairing these is as seamless and as easy as the originals are. Take them out of the smart case, you connect them, and then after that you just have to hold down that rectangular button to pair them to your iPhone, iPad, or any device that you want to use it with. In the settings or the menu of these AirPod Maxes in the Bluetooth page, it does come with other features like ANC and transparency, and yes, the serial number does check out that it is covered with warranty and all that. Now the big question is, does ANC and transparency work? Yes, most of the time, and no, just by a little bit, because transparency does work flawlessly, but noise cancellation doesn't actually block out all the noise. You can still hear some sound coming, but when it comes to sound quality and with everything else, I would give these headphones a solid 7 out of 10. Spatial audio as well doesn't work, sadly. It just makes the music sound a little bit better with more bass, and that's pretty much it. And with all that being said, I hope you guys did like this video. Please like and subscribe. Link will be down below in the description, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.